to update you guys on this thing. Just picked this up last night, couple $100. Pretty sick. Gonna do a quick flip on it, paint it, wrap the seat. Oh my God. We just finished sanding this down and got the ugly stickers off in the front and the back, and now we're gonna get it ready for paint. We're gonna take the seat off and we're gonna start taping some things up. Alright, we're all bagged off, ready to paint it. Side note, new hat came in from the boys over at Seeger. Got the winter cap with the mud flaps. Now it's all business, baby. Check it out. Pretty sick. Thanks, boys. Sanded down this this little chain cover. Looks pretty good. That bare metal look. Let's go. I'll show you guys what the bike looks like now it's all finished and painted. Check it out. Probably gonna wait a little bit for it to dry up, take the tape off, but looks pretty sweet. Got the green machine turned into the Black Knight rider thing. Looks pretty sweet now. Sick. All right, now we got the heat wrap and the exhaust. We got the new heat wrap for the exhaust, and then we got to wrap the seat. So let's get to that. Alright, heat wraps on the exhaust, covers on for the chain, seat is temporarily on. Still gotta go get some fabric to wrap that. But this thing looks sweet. I mean, you guys saw it from that ugly green that it just was. And this nice semi-gloss black from Rust-Oleum. Check that out. Once I get that vinyl seat wrap for this thing, I'm not gonna want to sell it. With the truck in the back, see if I can get it on the frame. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we got the seat, we got the leather or vinyl, and we're gonna wrap it. Finally finished wrapping this thing. I think it was pretty sick. First time doing this. It's you know, it could be better for sure, but I'm not professional. I got one crease here, and the bottom is not very pretty. The guy before me obviously knew what he was doing, or I think from factory, this black seat. So I got a couple of creases up in here, but that's going to be in the bottom anyway. It's just going to sit like that. real nice and smooth. Little crease here, little crease here, and then a nice fold in the back on this side too. So I think it looks really good. I'm pretty stoked on it. And then let's throw this thing on and see how it looks. And the big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I'm bringing you to my office because it's nasty and cold out, and I wanted to finish this outro. So that's everything on the mini bike, the Cafe Racer mini bike project. I'm pretty stoked on how it turned out. You're going to see a couple clips. I think I'm going to insert them after. Just some flybys. I removed the governor on this thing, and holy crap, it's way faster. You can compare the videos in the beginning when it was still green, I didn't touch it, to after at the end that I'm about to show. There's a speed tracker by the end of my street. The thing's hitting 30 miles per hour. It's honestly scary. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was really fun to make. Let me know if you want to see more little projects like this, or if you want me to go into more detail, less detail, quicker, faster, edit, clips. You know, obviously I'm doing this all by myself on my spare time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. You know, like it, subscribe, do all that stuff. Helps me out. So let me know what you guys want to see. More of the Ranger, more on the ST. I got some things for the ST. I just dropped a video on the Ranger. This video is going to come out Friday, I'm pretty sure, and the Ranger video was posted on Wednesday. So let me know what you guys think of the video so far. Enjoy the last couple minutes of this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Ugh.